Are you ready to see the latest game changer in the world of laser engraving? Today, I'm giving you a full tour of the brand new WeCreat Vista, the world's first laser engraver with a 90-degree flipping laser module. With just a flip, you can transform this compact laser into a powerhouse for rotary engraving on large tumblers and more, all without the bulky risers that you typically need with other machines. Let's dive in and see how this machine stacks up against some of the biggest names out there. And spoiler alert, you're going to want to grab these early bird specials before they're gone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Carrie, and today I'm super excited to introduce you to the brand new WeCreat Vista. And trust me, you're going to love what this machine can do. The WeCreat Vista is the world's first laser engraver with a 90-degree flipping laser module. And that feature alone sets it apart from anything else on the market right now. With just a flip, the laser module transforms from a horizontal position to a vertical one where it engraves on the side, making rotary engraving on large cylindrical objects like these 40-ounce tumblers a breeze. That's how WeCreat has managed to pack so much versatility into such a small, compact design. Now, if you're like me and your craft room is quickly running out of space, you'll appreciate that the Vista is only 6.5 inches tall. I was blown away by how much I could engrave with this little machine. It's a lot more compact and lightweight compared to the WeCreat Vision, which rises to 21.6 inches tall. Even though the Vista doesn't rise automatically, you can still add risers underneath for larger objects. The max project height is 1.57 inches without risers, but with the riser bases, you can go even higher. The 16.3 by 11.4 inch working area is huge for a machine this size. And for those of you who love working with different materials, the Vista is compatible with the 2-watt infrared laser module, which allows you to engrave on over 300 materials. The infrared module is super popular because it delivers incredibly fine details on metal and plastic, making it perfect for engraved jewelry, knives, custom keychains, and even personalized dog tags. Even better, WeCreat improved the module switching process on the Vista, making it easier than ever to swap out modules. I love how WeCreat listens to feedback from their customers and makes real improvements, always introducing new and innovative features that make their lasers stand out in the market. But that's not all. The Vista is also compatible with the auto pass-through feeder, which means you can engrave longer or thicker materials with ease. So if you're looking for a machine that handles everything from small custom jewelry to long wood signs, this is it. If you're running a small business or side hustle like I do, the WeCreat Vista is a game changer. Its versatility allows me to quickly switch between engraving materials for my Etsy shop orders, from tumblers to keychains. It's a perfect investment for anyone looking to take their craft to the next level. The Vista was designed with fine engraving in mind. Its fine laser spot size, just 0.04 millimeters compared to the Vision's 0.10 millimeters, makes a huge difference when you're doing intricate engravings on delicate materials. With this small laser spot size, I was able to laser engrave tiny text on a pencil without any issues. All I did was tape the pencil down using some thermal tape. Then type out the saying you want to engrave. The camera is amazing. It pulls a picture of the pencil up right in the software, and you can zoom way in to see it better. Move your text over, shrink it down, and position it exactly where you want it. How it looks on the screen is exactly how it will engrave. The Vista is perfect when it comes to small, intricate laser engraving designs. After engraving, I gave my pencil a quick wipe with a magic eraser, and it came out perfect. If you wanted to engrave a whole bunch of pencils at once, you could laser cut your own pencil jig. Fabrica has a pencil jig file, along with thousands of other fun laser engraving projects. Engraved pencils would make a fun and personalized gift for students, teachers, or even coworkers. You could create custom sets with names or motivational quotes on them for back-to-school gifts or party favors. If you're looking for the best place to find laser projects, Fabrica is it. They've always been my one-stop shop for all of my graphic design needs. They have millions of fonts, graphics, laser cut files, product mock-ups, embroidery designs, print-on-demand designs, and so much more. Their subscriptions are super cheap, only $3.99 for the month, which is less than I usually pay for just one file on Etsy. The feature that really sold me was that their products include a commercial license, which is what you need if you have a laser engraving business and want to sell your projects legally. If you've never used Fabrica before, definitely sign up for that free 1-month trial through the link down below in my video description. I know you're going to love them. The Vista also has air assist, which blows away smoke and debris for cleaner cuts and engravings. The overhanging HD camera ensures precise cuts by helping you see exactly where your workpiece is. And don't worry about safety. The Vista is FDA Class 1 certified with fire-resistant materials, an eye-protective lid, that means you don't need to wear those ugly, annoying glasses, automatic shutoff, and fire detection and alert systems. Another awesome perk, the WeCreat Vista offers full compatibility with Lightburn, one of the best design and control software programs out there. With Lightburn, you can easily create, import, and fine-tune your designs before engraving. The built-in camera integrates seamlessly with the software, helping you accurately position your designs. No more manual measuring or constant repositioning. This is perfect for beginners because it streamlines the entire process, so you can focus more on being creative and less on the setup. And it comes in a fun new light blue color or the classic white like I have here. Now I know what you're thinking, this machine must cost a fortune. But here's the good news. WeCreat is offering amazing early bird specials. If you put down a $20 refundable deposit between September 18th and October 14th, you can lock in up to $1,400 in savings on the WeCreat Vista at launch. If you decide not to purchase it, your deposit is fully refundable after October 22nd. The Vista 10-watt basic pack is just $699 during the early bird special. And after October 14th, it goes back up to $1,399. But if you want the full experience, check out the Vista 10-watt Deluxe Pack in white. It comes with the Vista 10-watt laser, air assist, rotary, risers, and the 2-watt infrared module, along with 6 pieces of acrylic, 6 pieces of PU leather, and 6 pieces of wood, all for just $12.99 during the early bird special. That's a massive discount off of the original $25.99 price. Now, to put this in perspective, let's compare it to the popular Glowforge Aura, which retails for $1,200. The Glowforge is only a 6-watt laser with a 12 by 12 inch working area. It has almost half the power, it can't engrave metal, it doesn't have a rotary for tumblers, and it doesn't have an auto pass-through feeder for long projects like engraving wood signs. With these early bird deals, the Vista is a no-brainer if you're looking for a versatile machine that packs a serious punch. I know you're excited to see the Vista in action. In my next video, I'll be engraving a 40-ounce rainbow-plated tumbler using the WeCreat Vista. I'll show you the full process from removing the handle, setting up the rotary tool, to flipping the laser module and engraving the design. I have these blank tumblers for sale in my Etsy shop in black and white. Click the link in my video description if you'd like to purchase some. I always ship super fast with same or next day shipping. If you want to see the full 40-ounce tumbler engraving tutorial, click that notification button so you don't miss out. So if you're thinking about upgrading your laser engraving game or just getting started, now is the perfect time to grab the WeCreat Vista. Don't forget to use my affiliate link in the description to get that early bird deal and help support the channel. I do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you if you make a purchase through my link, which helps me keep bringing you more awesome content. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future projects. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the Vista, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.